Imagine you're standing at the entrance of a giant museum, but not just any museum. This one is called the Museum of Orthodontics, and today you are invited to explore all its secrets. As you step inside, the lights turn on. A large glowing mind map appears in the center of the hall, floating like a hologram from a sci-fi movie. Welcome, future dentists. This journey will be your roadmap through the world of orthodontics, the art and science of creating harmony in the smile. The mind map starts to zoom in. First stop, what is orthodontics? A door opens, and inside, teeth move gracefully like dancers. Orthodontics isn't just about straightening teeth. It's about balance. Balance between the bite, the face, and the function. Every tooth has a place, every smile has a story. Next room, key definitions. Words float around you. Malocclusion, overjet, overbite, crossbite. Before you speak the language of orthodontics, you must learn its vocabulary. Each term tells you how the teeth and jaws work together or how they don't. Now we move to orthodontic assessment. Orthodontists are detectives. They study faces, analyze arches, take measurements, and examine occlusion. Because every smile is a puzzle, and every puzzle needs clues. Next, we move to the IOTN, the Index of Orthodontic Treatment Need. This is the judge of orthodontics. It tells us who really needs treatment based on health and aesthetics. Then we enter the futuristic lab of Cephalometrics. Here, glowing skulls and laser lines reveal angles like SNA, SNB, and ANB. This is where biology meets geometry, where numbers explain growth and imbalance. Next room, treatment planning. Blueprints unfold like an architect's table. Every great smile starts with a great plan. Decisions about extractions, appliances, and anchorage all begin here. We move on to developing dentition. Growing jaws appear like animated plants. Understanding growth and eruption helps us guide young patients before problems get worse. Then comes the hall of malocclusions: overjet, deep bite, open bite, crossbite, class 3. These are the challenges you will learn to fix, one patient at a time. Now we reach the appliances room. Braces, aligners, headgear, functional appliances, a toolbox of transformation. Each one has a mission: to move, rotate, tip, torque, or align. Finally, the advanced hall. Orthographic surgery, cleft lip and palate, and skeletal anchorage like TADs. Orthodontics goes beyond teeth. It touches bones, growth, function, and confidence. You step back to the center. All the rooms connect again into one glowing mind map. And this mind map is your guide. Every topic you will learn in orthodontics lives here waiting for you. Are you ready? Let the orthodontic adventure begin.